I hope you all had a wonderful break, and we're going to go ahead and get started right away. So, as you can see, we got a bunch of different notes, and kind of looks like a Christmas tree, how the bottom of it is wide and it gets smaller as we go to the top. So, we're actually going to start at the top with that biggest note. That little one up there says whole note. And in parentheses, you see how it says semibreve. Semibreve is what they use in the UK and around the world. Really, only North America uses the term whole note. North America being the United States and Canada. Okay? Now you're going to go down one, and you see those little O's with lines on them. Those are called half notes, or around the world they're also called a minim. Half notes equal 2 beats. A whole note, which is the one above it, equals 4. Okay, now we're going to go down one more from those half notes where you get quarter notes. Each of those equal 1 beat. Around the world they're also called a crotchet. Okay? So in a 4/4 meter, which means 4 beats per measure, quarter note gets 1 beat. So 4 notes in a measure, you get 4 of those because each quarter note equals 1 beat. Okay, down one more. Eighth notes. Those are called a quaver. Okay? A quaver. There are 8 of those equal 1 4/4 measure. An eighth note equals half of a beat. Okay? And one more, and this is as far as we're going to go with regular notes, are 16th notes. Those are called a semiquaver. Okay? That's all we need to know. So a quick review of what we've done so far is a whole note or a semibreve is 4 beats. It looks like a big O. A half note, which equals 2 beats, or is also called a minim, you get 2 of those in a 4/4 measure. Quarter notes, or a crotchet, each one equals 1 beat, and you get 4 of those in one 4/4 measure. Eighth notes equal half a beat. They're also called a quaver, and you can get 8 of those in a 4/4 measure. And then 16th notes, also called a semiquaver, is a quarter of a beat, and you can get 16 of those in a 4/4 measure. Okay? That is all we're going to do for today. And tomorrow we're going to talk about the second half of this sheet, which involves rests.